In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade on Exness app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the terminal, choose an instrument, set your lot size, decide between buy or sell, and confirm the order with confidence. First, open the Exness app or head to the Exness website and sign in. Make sure you're on the account you want to use. If you're practicing, switch to a demo account. If you're trading live, confirm you have sufficient funds and that your internet connection is stable. This helps avoid order rejections or delays. Next, open the Exness terminal. This is the trading interface where everything happens. You'll see a price chart in the center, a list of symbols you can trade, and an order panel on the right. Take a brief moment to get oriented. Knowing where things are will make placing orders smoother. Now choose the trading asset you want to trade. You can pick from forex pairs, gold, Bitcoin, or other available instruments. Selecting a symbol loads its chart and current quote. Before moving on, glance at the spread and the current market conditions. Tight spreads and active trading sessions typically mean faster fills and clearer pricing. On the right side of the terminal, locate the volume or lot field and adjust it to the size you want to trade. Lot size directly affects your risk, margin requirement, and potential profit or loss. For example, in many forex pairs, £1 lot equals 100,000 units of the base currency. If you're new or testing a strategy, consider starting smaller. Keep an eye on how the lot size changes your estimated margin so you don't overcommit. Above the volume control, choose whether you're buying or selling. Buy if you believe the price will rise, sell if you think it will fall. Double check that the correct button is selected and that it matches your market view. Also note the difference between the buy and sell prices, the spread, which is part of your trading cost. When you're ready, click Confirm Buy or Confirm Sell. Your order will execute at the current market price and you should see the position appear in your open trades with the entry price, lot size, and floating profit or loss. If the order doesn't go through, verify your lot size, margin availability, and that the market is open for the asset you selected. That's it. You've successfully placed a trade on the Exness app. Trade carefully, review your positions regularly, and keep refining your approach as you build experience.